So it appears I might have missed a section. Let's import a character. So I'm going to go File, Link. I'm going to go where my character is, which is Vincent. And click on Vincent. I'm going to go to Group. Now I can add both the high and low poly character versions. When I downloaded these from the Blender Cloud, it comes in a high and low poly version, which is brilliant. I can go, I think, untick active layer, I believe. And if I go link from library, they're both there. So what we can do here is I'm going to delete them both. I'm going to do a Shift A. I'm going to select Group Instance, and I will import the low Vincent. Now what I'm going to do here is, obviously we've got to attach the rig now. So I'm going to do Control Alt P and type in rig. Vincent Blend Rig. Enter. Hello chap. And then from here, I also need to add in the script that controls all this stuff on the right hand side. So I'm going to go File, Link. I'm going to go back up one. I'm going to go into text, generate, that one. Double click, and I need to run that script as well. So I'm just going to go to text editor. I'm going to select the text. I'm going to run that puppy. And now when I go back into 3D view and pose mode, that stuff is not there. Why is that not there? Did I do that right? File, link, make sure. Let's have a read of the notes as well while we're at it. File, and we go text editor, run script again, just to make sure. Notes. Probably because I've updated since then. Blend rig? I don't have the blend rig in there. Dang nabbit. But I think Blend Rig 5 should be here on the left hand side, and from there that's where you can turn off the, if you want to turn off the extra facials, turn on and off the fingers and such. So that's how you import a character.